All right, so it's been a minute. Um, I finally finished testing, about to graduate. So, um, I did record a video, but I never uploaded it. It was before the start of the this week, which was it was recorded the 17th. This the 24th today of May. So, yeah, around a week ago. Never uploaded it though. And in that video, I did decide to stick to gold because if we look at GA, I mean, um, it's been chopping for for a pretty long time. I'm not really looking to trade this if I'm being honest. I don't see any clear opportunities that fit my strategy here, so I decided to stick with gold, and it's been working out for me decently. Can't lie. Um, yeah. So let's see where the week started, the 17th. So it started the 19th. The 18th, yeah. Started here. So a quick overview. I entered the short here. I think. You know, we're not even gonna do that. We're just gonna do a weekly bias, a top-down analysis from here. Start off on the weekly, work our way down there. So we see how price has been rallying up overall for a very long time, right? Since 2023. You feel me? Or yeah, since like 2022, it's been rallying up. Recently, it's been rallying up very strongly from 2024. And we go to the daily, see how price reached an all-time high, dropped all-time high again, then dropped, not all-time high, but matched the high, then dropped again. And now it's pushing up. So we could see here two, um, or we could see a Fibonacci here, right? From here to here. Price came down to this area where it stopped in the past, but it's a daily, so we're not gonna really chart this on. And we see price came down, Fibonacci, 61.8, and I'm expecting price. Honestly, I don't think gold is gonna stop like anytime soon. Like I feel like by the end of like next month, honestly, we can go to the monthly. Yeah, we could soar to new highs. We could really soar to new highs. Um, I definitely do see 3,500 in the near site in the near as a near target. 3,900 probably as the max, or the negative 61.8. I mean, as the max. So, um, go back in time. We also have a trend line. I'm pretty sure. Oh, where was it? I had to jot it down somewhere. Oh, it was here. So I'm gonna delete this Fibonacci. Scale down to the 4 hour. All right. So here, see this trend line. Price has been hitting it. Bounce, 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 bounce. 4 bounces. It's a legitimate trend line, right? So, um, let's also jot down our key areas as well. So around every 500 pips, we got 3,400, 550, and 3,300. I'll also do 3,450 since we're not really too far off of that. I feel like, because gold's been moving fast, so and the fact that it just rallied up like this, I don't really see it not um pushing up, fast. So, put our boxes around it too. Please. Hold on. Alright, so yeah. So you see this. Also see a Fibonacci from this previous trendline tap to the top of this range. Then it came down 38.2. Also a trendline tap. And we're looking for it to get really to right here. To the previous high it reached before pushing all the way down. Now I'm gonna place this one into this somewhere here. Right? Yeah, so what I'm really waiting for, honestly, is probably to see a retrace back down here, a real quick retracement, then a push up, or we continue seeing a push up and then a retracement. But overall, I am looking for a retracement in some fashion. Like the first two. So I connected the first two. You see how it narrowly misses, but I still count these as taps. It's not gonna be on the dot tap on the dot tap. It's gonna, it's not gonna be exact pip value wise. You gotta use your eyes. Use your eyes. But yeah. So we take a look at the sessions. Let's remove these indicators real quick. Seeing how gold's been moving. As we know, gold's been giving opportunities in Asian recently, or it always has been. But that's what it's been doing recently. Recently, it's been creating a higher low, a lower high, something that will indicate what it's going to do for the rest, and then New York will typically reverse it. So what I'm expecting when we see Asian to open at like 9, we'll see like a tap down, push up, then another tap down, push up again. Something like this right here. See this, but up here. I'll just clear these indicators. And yeah, this is just what we're looking at. Just real intraday. Look at it for what it is. And we're seeing price close the week above this 33.50, easily giving us indication that price is going to push up above, right? Now it's going to retrace and then push up. It already closed above. If it didn't close above, then you have some hesitation for the week the week ahead. But it closed above, and that's giving us indication that price is likely to continue pushing up. And we also have the trend line confluence and the Fibonacci confluence. The overall bullish sentiment as well, with the weekly Fibonacci. I mean the daily Fibonacci right here. And I feel like price is finally gonna get out of this range, this up and down range we've been in. Let's see. This range right here, boom, boom. Oops. This range of boom, 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 and I finally feel like we're gonna push up a bit. We also see like a W, a double bottom formation type of thing, but a break above this area and a close above, like a daily close above, would give us clear indication that price is going to continue soaring high. We see a candlestick that closes like this, or a large wick and then a push down, then we won't be as confident. But we could look for the week ahead, because I am confident we'll get here for the week ahead. A factory. Okay, this is April. Tomorrow's the 25th, and there's So okay, so we're not gonna end the week on a new Friday. So next week will be on a new Friday. So we do have a lot of news. Not anything like crazy important. We just put it to red. There's like six red announcements, so we're not seeing anything crazy important, but it's good to see these as well. Um but yeah, so I would set an alert. I'm going to set an alert here around the 3350 area, and then another alert like, well, where I'd want to enter. I'd only want to enter either at the 3350 or the 3400, seeing how price reacts. But realistically, I want to enter here. I want to enter here at the 3350. Have like a penny trade here. Boom. This. Enter for something like that. To press continue pushing up in London. And yeah. So that's basically what I got for the week ahead. And I am going to make videos on, and we see the strong weekly close too. Not gonna ignore that. We see the strong, essentially Maribozu candlestick close. You see it overtook the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks of closures. You see how it wasn't able to close above this area for 5 weeks? And this 1 week overtook all of that? We're off to the moon, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I got for gold, and I'm confident in gold. You know, once gold starts moving, as we see in the past, it starts moving. You know, like here, it just did not stop. It did not stop, right? It'll stop at a key area, 3,200. Sometimes it'll just blow past them, like 3,150, 3,100, But you can always find an opportunity to enter. Never just enter whenever it's just pushing up. So yeah, that's what I got for gold. I am confident in my bias, so I am going to act on it. Last week's trading was pretty rough. I can't lie, it was pretty rough. We were up like 19%, went down to like 6, I'd say, and now we're up to 15 or 18. No, we're up to. No, we were up 16, went down to 6. Now we're up 14 or 15. So we're at a pretty good standing. And I'm pretty sure, confident gold's going to get us to a payout this week. 100%. I'm confident. I'm going to act on my bias, not going to be scared of nothing. Losses are a part of the game, so I'm confident. So yeah, that's what we're looking for tomorrow, Sunday. And yeah.